What's up, everybody? We're at Target.
Yeah.
And we're in the sea. They don't have Legos.
Right.
And we're gonna get some other stuff. Yeah, we're gonna get some giant Legos and get all the other ones to see.
Yeah. Now look at some cool stuff, right?
Yeah. All the Legos, right?
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait to get all the Legos.
Alright. Yeah, get to toys.
We have to find Mama.
She's already down at the toys, she said.
Wait, when we find her, we have to put this stuff in.
And before we leave, I want to look at the baby stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, toys are over here.
I could make one bubble.
Come on, babe. Video. Alright, I gotta find my mom. Oh, they have food makers. There's my mom. God, go.
Look over here too. Oh, I didn't see them ones. What's that?
No, I was gonna see how much it was.
Look. This is the pizza one that I was showing you on the phone. 250 pieces. And this one, if you got this, you can get two. I would let you get this one and maybe this one or something. Or that and this one. Now the Minecraft I think are just ridiculous. I
The
mean,
prices are.
they're $40 for that.
That's crazy. Even just for one of the characters.
Well,
is
that's
15
the
bucks.
small one we bought them last time, and we paid a good amount.
Yeah.
I mean, this one
That's
is
not-
20. This isn't too bad, Jake. Look, Jake, this one's not too bad. It's $20, and it's got 241 pieces. Here, come over this up next aisle, because I wanted to. These are where we picked out before. Come here. These are other ones that we were thinking. Look, that one, the beach, shark.
Oh,
Yeah,
this is
that.
Yeah, look
Pretty
at
neat.
this.
It's a skateboard park.
Look, skate park.
It's a 3-in-1.
oh, this is gonna
Look, that's why I said it's a very hard decision. See, look at all that you can build.
Oh my God.
I think this one's the best so far. I like this
Yeah,
one the
I think
best.
that's really cool. Or they have a food shop.
Oh, yeah, you
Look,
like
Jake.
food.
Oh.
Ice cream in there.
Oh, this is going good.
Yeah, but we don't have all day to pick, so you're just going to have to make a decision and stick with it. You want to go back to the other ones? They have these ones over here, too. You see all this.
That's crazy.
Get one of these.
Look, you go kitties. Why don't they have things like that?
Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Look,
Science lab.
balls.
Whoa. I have two.
Look.
I'm.
Look,
Okay,
this has 433 pieces.
Holy moly.
And you can build boy stuff and girl stuff, it looks like, right?
Yeah, like different ramps and.
I think I have two shoes on like.
Well, you
Okay.
gotta pick which one. Which way? This aisle or the other one?
I'm just gonna show you guys.
All right, you show.
You show. Oh, sorry.
Todd, you're fast like lightning, so you'll get it done.
There's too much.
Oh, my part.
Here's the ones we were looking at. Here. Here's the one, and the Minecraft here.
You can keep looking over here.
Star Wars? Really?
They're want to see.
Yeah, it's too much.
Jake, look, this one's not. Look, this one you can get this one. It's not that bad. Look, $20, I think. Look, that.
You know any Minecraft ones I can get for $2?
Yeah.
You can probably get this one and maybe one of these.
Or they have
Or-
Avengers.
Or you can just get this one. It's a lot bigger with 470, but this would be the only one because it's bigger.
These ones are super giant. Those ones are giant. There's other giant ones over
Because look,
there.
you got this one and these two. This one's a skull one. Here, I would get you two of these two if you wanted them to.
You like those?
There's these ones and there's other ones I had to show you.
Alright, come on. This is gonna happen. This is why I get it. Oh, look, there's this one too. Look,
Oh, I didn't see that.
so you could pick one of them. Look, you get 3 different ones.
I get 3.
No, you're only getting 2. Look. Okay.
Can I show you guys now?
Go ahead, show us.
Look!
God, you don't have to be scared. Go.
Yeah, you're here just look like they are.
God, that's where you're looking up here. God, you go. You don't have to wait. Come.
Say excuse me.
Go. You don't have to be afraid to walk.
I think I just found this shoes.
This one is
They're
a
too much
Pikachu.
money. 'Cause that's what you're looking at. That's
I was looking at that.
yeah, that's $150.
I
Look at Pikachu.
That's only 160 pieces. I think your best
Look
bet
at
would
these.
be the 2 Minecraft.
We saw that. We were just talking about that they have them. It's an actual remote control
Yeah,
one.
that's what Dad was talking about, a boat one, but they're tech ones. We're not ready for them.
Yeah.
That time, by the time Santa comes around, you should probably be able to get those.
Yeah.
need $1.
Yeah, those at the bottom, they're too much.
Look, Jake.
What about that
Look,
one?
this one you could only get the one now, but
That's
it's a big set.
$160.
Look. Oh, that's the skate one we were just showing you.
Yeah.
I like that one. I think that's the best
Yeah, I
one.
think they're cool. The shops.
I think I've made a decision.
What?
What?
I just don't know because it's so
Oh, that's not me. You didn't make a decision yet. You just got to decide and say, that's it. This is what I'm getting. That's it. The other eye